गुलमर्ग की शान आपको दिखाई देते हैं। मेरे पीछे ये जो होटल दिख रही है, लोग कहते हैं कि अगर गुलमर्ग आना हो और यहाँ रहना है तो ही आना, वरना गुलमर्ग ही मत आना। बहुत लोग ऐसा सोचते हैं, देखते हैं अंदर जाने मिलता है या नहीं, बट बाहर से देख लीजिए। दिस इज़ वन ऑफ द लीडिंग होटल्स इन द वर्ल्ड। Currently you don't get booking here. Steep slope. This is the Khyber Gulmarg. Show you the gate and the full property. This is just breathtaking, guys. It's a marvelous property. Just have a look at it from the outside. People, when they come here, if they want to spend, this is the place to spend it. This is like an experience of a lifetime, guys. Have a look. Sitting in the leading hotel of Gulmarg, Khyber, and we have a special drink, welcome drink, which is kava with some dry fruits. How's the experience?
Really very nice.
This is the leading property over here, and let's see if we get to see the full property and some rooms as well, because as I mentioned before, this property is always occupied, and if people say if you want to come to Gulmarg and spend, this is the place to be. So enjoy the vlog, guys. It's a sunny day, walking here in this amazing hotel. Some of the parts where photography is not permitted are the swimming pool, gymnasium, but in this lawn I'm just vlogging a bit. Not speaking much, want to show you this property. The guy is describing, but as we are not guests here and we are just doing a tour of this hotel, so we can promote it in the future. And we can't see rooms because all the rooms are occupied. Have a look of this hotel which is in front of me. It's a masterpiece, guys. Look.
Luxury Gulmarg rooms, we have 20 rooms there. Okay. And Himalayan, we have 20 rooms. Okay.
Total how many inventory?
Total we have 85 rooms now.
85
Including cottages, yes.
Okay.
So these cottages that you see are the valley facing ones, and they are one Gulmarg mountain facing as well. Very, very expensive, but a great experience. Going back now, have a look at the reception again. was the end of the vlog, guys. But the experience of just seeing this hotel is something else. I can't even imagine what staying here would be. थोड़ा अच्छा लग रहा है कि saw this hotel. It was always a dream to see. Actually, it was a dream to stay, but seeing this was also satisfactory. So yeah, guys, and I just saw Vicky Kaushal go there, and as I told you, there is a fun fair on 9th and 10th in my earlier vlog. So right now, Vicky Kaushal has come as a chief guest, and he's staying at the Khyber. And I didn't see him, but the staff just told us that he's here. So yeah, that was the end of the vlog, guys. Thank you for watching, and keep watching, keep subscribing, and thank you for all the support.